world. For those willing to give selflessly to make that world a better place. Thunderbirds, let's run them.
Don't forget to follow this channel by subscribe, like, comment, and share.